Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about some lessons that I've learned in regards to email marketing when it comes to being an affiliate marketer. And one of the most important lessons that I learned, let's switch to this side, is get the email. Way back when I started learning, once I started learning about internet marketing, and my journey kind of like one of the big courses that I got into after I learned about like Dan Kennedy, and that was kind of like my first start was GKIC and Dan Kennedy. And after that, I was looking for just kind of like a more kind of updated online type of course, right? So the guy that I found, his name was James Francis, a guy from England, and awesome course. At the time, like I was pretty nervous to invest in it because it was pretty high price. I think it was $2,000. So that was a big course to invest in, but it was awesome because it was totally worth it. Like I definitely got $2,000 worth of value because it showed me so many different aspects of, creating a sales funnel and doing all that. And this was back when, before people were, really talking and saying the word sales funnel, right? So this course, it taught me about the most important thing that it taught me was get the email at the start of your funnel. Like if you're going to have an affiliate marketing funnel, he taught me that the first page is going to be your landing page, where you're going to have your like lead magnet free giveaway. It could be a quiz. It could be, there's lots of different ways to do it, but you want to get them to opt in because you want to get that email. And Russell talks about this. It's funny because that was back in 2014, about 2014, I think, that I took that course and was learning that lesson. And now Russell's book just came out. Everyone's talking about Traffic Secrets. They've had their big promotion. I just bought the book twice because there was so many different awesome bonuses going around. But with Traffic Secrets, Russell talks about traffic you own, right? There's traffic you can buy, traffic you can kind of earn your way into, like Dream 100 stuff. And then there's traffic that you own once you've got them to opt in and they're on your list. And you don't have to worry about getting deplatformed or, having somebody's terms of service change or having your ad account get banned because you've got traffic that you own. So with this one, it's pretty impressive because during the Traffic Secrets audiobook, he talks about, if I had, with a list of like 30, I think the number he uses is like 30,000 people or something like that. With a list of 30,000 people, if I sent out an email and it got this response and the offer was for this much, I would make, I think it was like $8,000. Some just kind of example. You're like, okay, that's cool. It was a nifty example. But then he talks about how he got to that number of 30,000 people on a list when he breaks down like the funnels that he used it's a cool example. He breaks down the funnels that he used to get all those people. It was like, this funnel, I spent, like $15,000. The funnel made $20,000. So I made, $5,000. And you're like, oh, that's not that much, right? But then he shows how he did that for like 4 different funnels. And it's like, we got this many list of, and this is a list of buyers, right? So he's talking about a list of 32,000 buyers. But one way or another, you need to get people on your list, right? And your goal is to get your leads and turn those people into buyers. But inside Traffic Secrets, Russell talks about this as far as creating the traffic that you own, getting the email address and building your list. And yeah, that's that was probably the first most important lesson that I learned about affiliate marketing. So yeah, take that one and run with it. And I'll see you in the next video.